Hello and welcome to Nun Shop. In today's video, we will be exploring some of the most beautiful dishes that you can prepare at home. These dishes may be new to you, but they are sure to impress your friends and family with their visual appeal and delicious flavors. So let's get started and take a look at these stunning dishes that are sure to make your taste buds dance. As a food lover, I am always on the lookout for new and exciting dishes to try. And I am particularly drawn to dishes that are not only delicious, but also visually stunning. In today's video, I want to share with you some of the most beautiful dishes that I have come across in my culinary adventures. These dishes may be new to you, but I promise that they are worth a try. Not only will they impress your friends and family with their visual appeal, but their flavors are truly unforgettable. So let's get started and take a look at these amazing dishes that are sure to make your taste buds dance and your eyes pop. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious content. I want to share with you my favorite way to enjoy steak, and I hope you will give it a try for yourself. One of my all-time favorites is steak. There are so many different ways to enjoy this delicious cut of meat, but for me, there is nothing better than pairing it with garlic mashed potatoes and blue cheese butter. The combination of the juicy, flavorful steak with the creamy, garlicky potatoes and the tangy, rich blue cheese butter is simply unbeatable. It's my go-to meal when I want something hearty and satisfying. Thanks for watching our video about the beautiful and cool ways that make our lives easier. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these innovative solutions and that they've inspired you to think creatively about the challenges you face in your own life. If you want to continue discovering more ways to make your life easier, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Nun Shop. We'll be sharing even more great ideas and tips on how to make the most of your time and resources. So join us and let's make life easier together.